So we can see here in our Rubik's Cube, at the very front we can see a white square, and the white square is 3 squares high and 3 squares wide, so we could say it's 3 by 3. It's 3 times 3 is 3 squared. So here we've got 9 squares. Okay, so we've got 9, because we've done 3 squared, which is 9, but because it's a cube, it's a 3D shape, so actually there's not just one lot of 9. You can see there's a front set of 9, so we've got 3 times 3, and that gets us the 9 from the white. We can see the white faces, they're part of the first set of 9, but actually, because it's a cube, there are actually 3 sets. 1, 2, and then 3 sets of 9, so then we would multiply that by 3, which is why it's 3 cubed. We've got 3 times 3, the length times the width, but then we've also got the depth, the 3D-ness of it, so 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, but then we've got 3 lots of 9, which equals 27. So we could also say that 3 cubed equals 27. And you can see I've used a small number 3 there to represent cubed, like we use a small number 2 to represent squared. So we would have 2 lots of 3, but this time we've got 3 lots of 3, 3 times 3 times 3, so we would write 3 cubed with the small 3. This is a problem-solving question all about cube numbers. So we're told that we've got 3 cards, A, B and C, and on each card there is a different cube number. So to help you with this one, if you need some help, I've put the cube numbers along the side. So looking at the facts that we're told that A times A equals B, B plus B subtract 3 equals C, and the digit total of C equals A. So the first thing we think of, well, A times A equals B. That means that B must be a square number, because what we've learned about square numbers is that when you times a number by yourself, it's a square number. So when we times A by itself, that makes a square number. So B must be a square number. So we're looking for a number which is a cube number, which is also a square number. So you should see that we've got the number 64. 64 is a cube number. 4 cubed, 4 times 4 times 4 is 64, but it's also a square number because 8 times 8 is 64. So if B equals 64, that would mean that A equals 8, because 8 is also a cube number. 2 cubed is 8. So, because remember, A, B and C are all cube numbers. That leaves us to find C. So we know we can work out C because B add B subtract 3 equals C. Well, B was 64. 64 add 64 is 128. And if we subtract 3, that gets us to 125. So C equals 125, but we need to check to make sure that it fits with the last clue that we are given. So the digit total of C equals A. So the digit total, well, these are the digits 1, 2 and 5. If we total them, that means we add them, then they should equal A. And remember, A, we already figured out that A was 8. So let's look through that. So 1 add 2 is 3, add 5 is 8. So yeah, it all adds up. It all works. There we go. We've figured out that A equals 8, B equals 64, and C equals 125. They are all cube numbers.